Good morning, children. Welcome to the next class. Yesterday I showed a video on the earth. Today we are reading this chapter. Children, here we are reading about earth. You know, we live on the earth and our earth is very beautiful. The earth is made up of land and water. Our earth covered is half of the earth is covered, more than half of the earth is covered with water, and its shape, look, it is not round, it is look like an orange. And children, you know, globe, have you seen? Globe is the model of the earth. Children, there is the presence of water more than land on the earth, so that its color looks like blue from the space, so that it is called a blue planet also. Children, we share our earth with all animals, birds, water animals. With all these, we share the earth with these. Okay. The earth looks after our need like a mother, you know. हम धरती माता बुलाते हैं ना. ओके. जैसे एक मदर, एज ए मदर, इट केयर ऑफ अस, इट लुक आफ्टर अस of all. Children, there are different types of landform on the earth. Yesterday I gave a picture also related to the landform. What are the landform? In the video also you have seen landforms are mountains, valley, plateau, hills, plain, island. These are the landforms on the earth, and after that there are some water bodies. Water bodies mean जिनमें हमें जिन सोर्सेस से हमें वाटर मिलता, दैट आर वाटर बॉडीज. Water bodies are rivers, lake, sea, waterfall, ponds. These are the, what are these? These are water body on the earth. There are earth on some landform and water bodies. So children, you read here, the earth look after us like a mother. After that, it's our duty also, we have to look after our earth. We must also take care of our earth, and we should conserve water, wood and paper. We should follow the rule of 3: reduce, reuse and recycle. इसका मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of this? Reduce. We should reduce the resources of our earth. Resources, what are these? Water, forest. We should not cut them. We should use the item, this type of item, things that we can reuse them. And after that, things should be recycled. Okay, papers, other things, so like this, bottles, glass, plastic, these things we can recycle. So what is that? That is 3Rs. So we should conserve water, wood and paper. We should not waste them. If we will waste water, we will waste wood, we will waste paper, so we can't get these again, right? There are some activities you will see here. Do not play loud music. It is right? Yes. We should not play loud music. It increase pollution if you play loud music, and if you will not play, then it reduce pollution. Say no to crackers. Plant more trees, and use kitchen water in the garden. Give old toys and books to the needy. Use one-side printed paper for work. in printer, in offices, the papers are used in one side. So second, another side, we should use them for the rough work, for other works. The recycle waste. Say no to plastic bag. Children, whenever we go to market, other places, we should refuse to take carry bag. We should carry on our bag conserve wood. We should save forest and make usable thing from waste. Uh, that is the tin, cold drink tin, another thing. तो those are waste thing. We should use them. SUPW में आप करते ना, तो what is that? Use of waste thing. उसको हम useful product we should make them. And we must make our earth green and beautiful. How can we make our earth beautiful? At planting more and more trees. We must thank earth for giving us a beautiful place to live. We should be thankful to our earth because the earth gives us a beautiful place to live, and it's our duty. We should keep our earth beautiful and take care of the earth. Right, children? Now is the question time. Our earth is round, square in shape. You will do this. More than half, 1/3 of our earth is covered with water. Our earth has some many beautiful land, foam and water bodies. We must keep our earth blue, green. We must keep our earth green. Now question, what is the shape of the earth is like? The shape of the earth is like an orange. Why do we call our earth a blue planet? More than half of our earth is covered with water. That's why it is called blue planets. Okay, so these answer you will write in your notebook. Now complete the name of the landform and water body. अभी आपने water bodies and landform you study there. You have to complete this. Mountain, river, what is that? That is pond. Well, it is well, WELL, and it is valley, VALLEY, and it is pond, POND. It is river, RIVER, and it is waterfall, WATERFALL. Children, you will complete all these in your book. Only question answer you will write in your bag. Now rewrite the statement correctly. So these you will do yourself, and you have to make a poster also. Take care of earth, draw the earth and color it. All the work from today, your holidays are starting, so you can do. Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.